you're all safe and well at home. Oh, if you're new to my channel, my name is Teacher Celine. Can everybody say, hi, Teacher Celine, and welcome to my online learning channel. You know what, kids, today... Wait a minute. Do you hear that sound? What sound is that? Aha! I think it's the sound of a cat. I don't think that's a cat, right? Wait a minute. Let's put on our thinking caps. Doink. Aha! I think it's the sound of a dog. Teacher, that's not a dog. Who's that? Can we say, hi, Mr. Bird? For today's lesson, we will learn about different kinds of birds. You know what, kids? I've always been so fascinated with birds, mainly because they can fly and soar high up in the sky. I also love the wonderful colors of their feathers. The main characteristic of birds are their feathers. There are so many types of birds all around the world, and they differ from each other just like people. Before we start our storytelling, let's sing a song. The title of the song is Six Little Ducks. Don't worry, TC kids, this will be really easy. Just follow Teacher Celine. Get ready! 1, 2, 3, go! 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat, one skinny, one's and fair, one's too. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, wiggle, woggle to and fro. But that one little duck with a feather on his back, he looked the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Yay! Are you all ready for story time? If you have any instruments, please get them now. Get ready! Now it's time for story time, story time, story time. Now it's time for story time with Teacher Celine. Yay! Let me get my book. I have a story, what could it be? I have a story, who could it be? I have a story, what could it be? Ta-da! The title of the story is Birds by Jill McDonald. If you have this book, go get it so you can read along with me. When Teacher Celine is reading a story, what should we do? We should open our eyes, open your eyes, open our ears, lock our lips, hands on our lap, sit like a pretzel and eye on the book. Birds by Jill McDonald. Birds are all around us, soaring in the sky, singing in the trees, hopping on the ground. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Our rooster starts the day with his loud call. A rooster is a male chicken. A female chicken is called a hen. A woodpecker's beak is strong and pointy. This noisy woodpecker is looking for food inside a tree trunk. Quack, quack! A duck swims on the pond with her babies. Paddle, paddle, paddle! A baby duck is called a duckling. Pigeons like to live in the loud city. Pigeons often build nests on window ledges and bridges. But flamingos love to flock quietly together near the water. Flamingos often stand on one leg. What do you see in the treetops of the warm jungle? It's a toucan with a bright rainbow beak. Toucans make their nests in hollowed-out trees. Brrr! Penguins live in the cold. They can't fly. They love to swim. The penguin can swim faster than any other bird. Wow! Ostriches also cannot fly, but they can run. The ostrich is the world's largest bird. Wow! The hummingbird may be tiny, but it flies fast, forward and backward. They are called hummingbirds because their fast wings make a humming noise. Peacocks have beautiful colored tail feathers. What colors do you see? Only male peacocks have bright tails. So pretty, right? Owls can see in the dark. An owl sleeps all day and stays awake all night. Good night, owl. The end. Woohoo! Did you guys enjoy our story for today? Now, let's play a game. Identify the type of bird as soon as I flash it on my screen. Are you ready? Great! Let's start. What bird is this? Very good. It's a rooster. If you are correct, give yourself a check. Cha-ching! How about this one? What bird is this? Very good. It's a duck. Quack, quack. Next, what bird is this? Cha-ching! That is correct. It's a woodpecker. Next, what bird is this? Wow, I'm so proud of my TC kids. They're called pigeon. Next, what bird is this? Good job, TC kids. They're called flamingos. Next, what bird is this? Great job! They're called toucan. Next, what bird is this? Oh, they're so cute! They're called penguins. Next, what bird is this? Wow, that is correct! Ostrich. Next, what bird is this? That is correct again! Hummingbird. Next, what bird is this? Wow, that is correct again! Peacock. Next, oh, this is so easy. What bird is this? That is correct again! They're called owl. How about this one? Do you know this bird? I'll give you a clue. You can find this bird in the Philippines. It's called monkey-eating eagle. Cha-ching! Yay! For our next activity, dun-dun-dun-dun! Ta-da! We will make our very own birds and nests arts and crafts. Here are the materials that we will need. Number 1, construction papers in different colors. Scissors, glue or paste, googly eyes, feather, brown yarn. If you don't have brown yarn, it's okay. You can use string or twigs. And brown paper. If you don't have brown paper, you may use recycled carton. Let's start by making your own birds. Cut out 2 circles for your bird, 1 for the head and 1 for the body. You may use your own color. Next, let's glue the 2 circles together. Ta-da! Next, let's add our googly eyes. Next, cut a diamond shape for the beak. Glue the middle part. Flip this, flip it up. There you go. You can also flip this up. There. Next, let's glue some feathers. Eee, look at that! It's so cute! Tweet, 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 tweet. Set aside your birds to dry. Next, let's do their nest. Kids, you may now stick your birds. So cute, right? That's the end of our fun activity for today. I hope you enjoyed learning with Teacher Celine. But before we end our session, let's sing our goodbye song. Everybody, arms up, get ready. Ba-dum, 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 bum, bum. It's time for us to go. We had a happy day. We'll see you all again. We'll see you then, my friend. It's time for us to go. We had a happy day. We'll see you again, my friend. Bum, bum. Can everybody sing goodbye? Thank you, Teacher Celine. If you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. See you next time, kids. Goodbye.